anybody has DM'd me about buying squishies with slime from on the Instagram. Oh, yeah, someone called Emma with Podcast has. She wants to order squishies under your house, obviously. So she wants to order a pink putty slime, a unicorn squishy, a cake, underwear, a chick, a jumbo strawberry, peach fries, galaxy panda, yeah. Oh, everything that everybody else buys, technically. So, I don't have any boxes at the moment. So, let's just use this thing. And I'll just DM her to give me it back, to send it back once she's got all the squishies and stuff out of it. Okay. So, the first thing that she ordered is let's check my phone, a unicorn squishy. I see if I do. Yeah, I do have a unicorn squishy, but it's like so soft and so slow rising, and like, it's perfect. But and I know she ordered this, but I can't give it to her. Like, come on. So I'll give her this squishy. It's a unicorn and it's a cat at the same time. So that's one thing down. Now she wants a jumbo cake. I have technically two. I don't like it when people say the word jumbo, it's confusing towards me. But, oops. I have two, but they're like, I only have like a slice one and a big one, and they were the first squishies I got. So, I guess I'll give her, I could either give her this cake, but this is fairly new, or this small one. I think I'll give her this one. Okay, next she ordered underwear. Yeah, I have one, surprisingly. My friend got me a Squishless blind bag, and I opened it and this came out, and I think it'll be rude to get rid of it. So, I'll give her this. It kind of goes. It's a pink poo with a moustache. Next, oh wait, she ordered a slime, didn't she? She ordered a pink fluffy slime. And yeah, I think I do have a pink fluffy slime, but I love it so much. And I just got pen on it. Wow, fantabby-dozy. But like, it's amazing. It's like a really good fluffy slime. So, the only other pink slime I really have is this unicorn pink potty. I mean, unicorn poo potty. But like, yeah, well, I'll give it to her. She deserves a bit of poo in her life, you know? Well, she already has some poo, so they can go together. Yay! See if that shots? Yeah, it shots. Okay, right. So next she ordered a chick. I just sold my last chick, like, out of its shell, but I have one with its shell, but it's so soft and so big, so I can't give it that. So I'll give it this. It's a cat eating a dead fish. Go on then. Okay. So next, she's ordered a jumbo strawberry. I just sold my last jumbo strawberry to my sister. So I'll give her this. Strawberries are strawberries, you know? All strawberries are the same. Okay, my phone. She wanted a peach, didn't she? I have a peach. But it's such a great squishy. So I'll give her this pineapple. the same sort of food. Well, not really, but it's like a fruit. They're both fruits, you know. Oh, I just missed the box completely. Let's it again. There we go. And then fries. Fries. I have fries. But it's the most amazing squishy in the world. It is just. I know I've said like loads of the squishies are soft, and I'm gonna say that throughout the video. But like, this is the most softest squishy in the world. So I'm not giving her that. I'm gonna give her. Should I give her this? I'll give her this because I don't really like it because there's a bit of net like plastic which sticks into this. So when you squish it, you just feel that, so you can't properly squish it. So here you go. Have fun with that. And then I'm gonna pack it all at the end. Actually, I'm just gonna put it all outside the packing. Okay, right. Then we have. What does she want? Galaxy Panda, Galaxy Panda. I have a Galaxy Panda! Yeah, I'll give it to her. Jokes. I'm not giving this to her. No way. It's like, it's just so precious to me. I don't know why, but it is. So I'll give it this panda. It's sort of rising, yeah, but its neck, it's sort of slit. So, bye-bye. Next, she wants Hello Kitty donut. I don't have one at the moment because I can't remember what happened. I brought it to school and then I gave it to my friend and then I kind of forgot to get it back off her. So I'll give it this donut. Donuts are donuts, you know? Okay, next, ice cream. Jumbo ice cream. Jumbo ice cream. I know. I have a jumbo ice cream, but I'm not giving it to her. I'll give her this ice cream because it's so defected. Yay! Next, unicorn. No, I've already done them. Well, Billy Whale. I have a Billy Whale. But it's so cute. It's so small and cute. So, I'll give her this. It kind of looks like a whale, I'll say. So, there you go. Next, she's asking for a jumbo. Wait, I've forgotten one, haven't I? I've forgotten cat burger. Cat burger. I have a cat burger here. Look at that little face as well. Mwah. But can't give it to her. I'll give her this. It kind of looks like a burger. So, and then so I've given her a Billy Whale. Now all we have is a llama. Yeah, I just didn't see that. Jumbo. This is my biggest squishy in the world. No, I have ones the same size, but literally, this is one of my biggest squishies. I cannot give this away. I know the paint's coming off a bit and whatnot, but like I can't give this away. So I'll give her. I thought this was a llama for when I first got it. Then I realised it's a pinata, so that's boring. So bye bye. I've been so generous, haven't I? Giving her all these squishies. Some of them she didn't even ask for. So I'll give her some extras. I'll give her this Game Boy. Cute. I'll give her this golden tooth thing. And a torch. Oh, a torch. So let's pack all this up. Hopefully it all fits in. I don't need to neatly pack it because it isn't to me. So shove it all in. Shut the door. And boom. Now all I have to do is put an address on it. Duct tape it up a little bit so it doesn't open. And off to the shop. Off to the post office. That goes. So let me go sort this out. And yeah. See my reaction towards it.